Meta unveils self-taught AI evaluator model.
Meta has introduced a new AI model called the Self-Taught Evaluator, designed to assess other AI models with less human involvement. This evaluator utilizes a technique that breaks complex problems into smaller, manageable steps, improving accuracy in various subjects. The model was trained using only AI-generated data, further reducing the need for human input in its development. Meta's research indicates that this could lead to the creation of autonomous AI agents capable of self-improvement and task execution without human oversight.
Microsoft's shift in OpenAI investment approach following leadership changes.
Microsoft has reevaluated its investment strategy in OpenAI after Sam Altman's temporary departure as CEO in November 2023, which raised concerns for Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella. In response to Microsoft's reluctance to provide further funding, OpenAI has secured a $10 billion computing agreement with Oracle and obtained $6.6 billion in investments from various backers, including NVIDIA. OpenAI also negotiated a $4 billion loan to support its financial requirements amidst predicted multi-billion-dollar losses in 2024. The two companies are working on converting Microsoft's prior $13.75 billion investment into equity as OpenAI transitions to a for-profit model, with both hiring financial firms to navigate this complex process.
NVIDIA enhances Meta's Llama model with innovative training techniques.
NVIDIA has launched an advanced large language model named Llama 3.1 Nemotron 70B Instruct, refining Meta's Llama 3.1 model for better alignment with human preferences. The new model uses two self-developed datasets, HelpSteer2 and HelpSteer2 Preference, which evaluate response quality and preference ratings to guide training. By integrating regression and Bradley-Terry models, NVIDIA optimized the training process, leading to superior performance in benchmarks like Arena Hard and Alpaca Eval2 LC. Llama 3.1 Nemotron 70B Instruct demonstrates increased helpfulness, longer responses, and improved answer accuracy in specific applications, now available for free testing.
Microsoft unveils efficient one-bit language model framework.
Microsoft Research and the University of the Chinese Academy of Sciences have introduced BitNet B158, a one-bit language model designed to perform like traditional 16-bit models while reducing latency, memory usage, and power consumption. This model utilizes ternary parameters of -1, 0, and 1, achieving performance comparable to classic models starting from 3 billion parameters with processing up to 2.71 times faster and memory consumption reduced by 3.55 times. The researchers highlight the need for specialized hardware to maximize the advantages of one-bit models, emphasizing that further research and development in this area is essential.
Evolving dynamics between Microsoft and OpenAI partnership.
The partnership between Microsoft and OpenAI is experiencing strain as OpenAI seeks more financial support amid significant operational costs, prompting Microsoft to reconsider its investment strategy. Microsoft is diversifying its AI investments by hiring talent from competing firms like Inflection, while also exploring new partnerships to not rely solely on OpenAI for advancements in AI technology. Recent changes to their agreement have allowed OpenAI to seek additional computing resources from other providers like Oracle, indicating shifts in their previously exclusive partnership framework.
Google's strategic shift to enhance AI development.
Demis Hassabis has gained significant influence at Google, overseeing both AI research and the integration of those models into products through Gemini. Nick Fox, now in charge of search, plays a crucial role in maximizing revenue and utilizing AI advancements. Google's restructuring aims to create a more cohesive AI experience, enhancing its competitiveness against ChatGPT.
Google enhances AI podcast generator features.
Google's Notebook LM has improved its AI podcast generator, allowing users to customize content focus more effectively. Users can now specify topics for discussion, such as targeting a specific section of uploaded documents to create tailored podcast episodes. The platform also introduced background listening, enabling users to work on other tasks while enjoying their generated audio overviews.
Apple's AI Insights and Adobe's free video tool launch.
Recent research from Apple reveals that AI models primarily match patterns rather than demonstrate true reasoning capabilities, challenging existing hype around advanced AI functionalities. In a major move, Adobe has launched its free AI video generator, Firefly Video Model, ahead of competitors like OpenAI's Sora and Google's Veo, potentially positioning itself for a significant lead in the market. As the demand for AI continues to grow, a survey indicates that a majority of professionals are open to using AI avatars to participate in meetings, highlighting a shift towards more automated business solutions.
Google enhances AI podcast generator with customization features.
Google's AI-driven podcast generator, Notebook LM, has received an upgrade that allows for more user customization in generating audio content from text documents. Users can specify topics or sections to focus on, resulting in concise podcast episodes that highlight key information without irrelevant details. Additional features include background listening, enabling users to multitask while accessing audio overviews, and interested businesses can apply for early access to a pilot program for advanced functionalities.
Google enhances Notebook LM with AI podcast customization.
Google's Notebook LM has introduced a feature that allows users to instruct AI hosts on specific topics or audience tailorings for its audio overviews. Users can provide customization details through a notebook guide option, resulting in AI-generated discussions based on their inputs. The latest update also incorporates background listening for these audio overviews, while enabling deeper exploration of YouTube transcriptions.
New evaluations address AI sabotage risks.
Anthropic has introduced evaluations aimed at assessing the sabotage potential of AI models, focusing on how they might mislead users or manipulate systems undetected. The evaluations encompass human decision sabotage, code sabotage, sandbagging, and undermining oversight, with experiments showing initial signs of these abilities in current models. These evaluations are intended for future AI models to identify and mitigate risks before deployment, promoting safer AI development practices.
NVIDIA acknowledges AI progress in Tesla robots amid control controversy.
NVIDIA's Rev Labardian emphasized the advanced AI needed for the teleoperation of Tesla's Optimus robots, despite skepticism regarding their remote control at a recent event. He highlighted that teleoperating a robot effectively demonstrates significant technological achievement, enabling sophisticated interactions in real-world environments. Both NVIDIA and Tesla view humanoid robots as key to advancing machine learning, which may lead to greater autonomy and applicability across various tasks.
Notebook LM enhances AI podcast features for users.
Google's Notebook LM has improved its audio overview feature, allowing users to customize discussions between AI hosts by focusing on specific topics from uploaded content. The new Customize button enables users to adjust the expertise level and guide AI conversations, creating tailored podcast-like discussions. Notebook LM is also launching a paid business version with additional features and has officially removed the experimental label from the product.
OpenAI's potential escape from Microsoft partnership.
OpenAI's relationship with Microsoft is reportedly deteriorating due to financial strains and disagreements on terms of their partnership. A notable clause in their contract could limit Microsoft's access to OpenAI technology if OpenAI achieves Artificial General Intelligence (AGI). The determination of what constitutes AGI is subjective and could lead to further tensions, as the decision rests with OpenAI's board.
Sam Altman's expanding role at OpenAI sparks concerns.
Sam Altman has deepened his involvement at OpenAI after the departure of key leaders, including the former CTO Mira Murati, raising concerns about overextending himself. Experts warn that without hiring a replacement for the CTO position, Altman risks taking on too many responsibilities, potentially impacting the company's technology strategy. OpenAI is pursuing a for-profit model and recently secured $6.6 billion in funding, which may require a leadership structure that allows for specialized management to meet its ambitious goals.
Innovative AI tools transform scientific research.
Lumi has launched an AI-powered lab assistant that uses computer vision to automate data collection for scientific research, relieving scientists from tedious tasks. The system, which has already been piloted with companies like Pfizer, aims to enhance research efficiency and allow scientists to focus on creative problem-solving. Additionally, a non-profit effort backed by billionaires is using AI to decode animal communication, highlighting the growing intersection of AI technology in various fields.
Microsoft's potential equity stake in OpenAI restructuring.
Microsoft is in negotiations to determine how much equity it will receive in OpenAI as the company transitions to a for-profit model. The tech giant has invested nearly $14 billion in OpenAI, which is currently the second most valuable startup in the U.S. Discussions will also address equity allocations for OpenAI's CEO and employees, as well as Microsoft's governance rights in the new structure.
Microsoft negotiates ownership stake in OpenAI.
Microsoft and OpenAI are negotiating the size of Microsoft's equity stake as OpenAI transitions to a for-profit model after its recent valuation soared to $157 billion. OpenAI has hired Goldman Sachs to advise on the restructuring, while Microsoft has brought in Morgan Stanley to assess the implications of its $13.75 billion investment since 2019. Microsoft is also likely to seek greater governance rights within OpenAI, especially after CEO Satya Nadella expressed concerns about the company's oversight during previous leadership changes.
Key milestones in AI development.
The timeline of AI development begins in 1943 with early neural models proposed by McCulloch and Pitts, setting the stage for future advancements. Significant milestones include the 1956 Dartmouth Summer Project, the introduction of expert systems in the 1980s, and breakthrough technologies like AlexNet in 2012 and generative AI in 2014. The rise of transformer architectures in 2017 and the popularization of large language models, such as ChatGPT, have marked a transformative era in AI's impact on society.
Druckenmiller reflects on NVIDIA sale amid AI boom.
Billionaire investor Stanley Druckenmiller regrets selling his NVIDIA shares too early, initially intending to hold for years before exiting in August 2024. NVIDIA's stock surged due to increased demand for its AI chips, prompting other tech giants to seek additional GPU allocations from CEO Jensen Huang. Druckenmiller remains interested in AI investments and may consider buying NVIDIA again if the stock price declines.
Google App Store antitrust case faces delay amid legal questions.
A federal judge has postponed an order that would have forced Google to allow more competition in its Android App Store until an appeals court reviews the case. The judge's decision comes after Google argued that the required changes would jeopardize user safety and incur unreasonable costs. Epic Games, involved in the antitrust claims, viewed the delay as just a procedural step while expressing concerns over Google's tactics.
Big tech invests in nuclear energy for AI growth.
Major tech companies are investing heavily in nuclear power to fuel their AI data centers, which require substantial energy resources. Amazon recently signed agreements to develop small modular reactors and invested in X Energy, while Microsoft secured a 20-year nuclear energy deal linked to the 3 Mile Island plant. Google is planning to purchase nuclear energy from Kairos Power and aims to bring a small modular reactor online in Tennessee by 2030, helping to meet their growing energy demands sustainably.
Microsoft and OpenAI assess $14 billion investment value.
Microsoft is evaluating how its $14 billion investment in OpenAI will convert into equity amid OpenAI's upcoming transition to a for-profit model. This transition must happen within 2 years to prevent recent investors from reclaiming their investments. To facilitate the equity arrangement, Microsoft and OpenAI have engaged Morgan Stanley and Goldman Sachs for assistance.
Challenges facing Microsoft and OpenAI's collaboration.
The partnership between Microsoft and OpenAI has significantly influenced the AI landscape, with Microsoft investing tens of billions, including a recent $6.6 billion funding round for OpenAI. Tensions have emerged as Microsoft, concerned about OpenAI's direction, hired talent from rival Inflection, and OpenAI staff reported frustrations over computing resources and access to technology. As competition intensifies with companies like Google restructuring to enhance their AI capabilities, both Microsoft and OpenAI are negotiating the future of their alliance and Microsoft's stake in OpenAI.
Challenges in the OpenAI and Microsoft partnership.
Microsoft's hesitations about investing further in OpenAI have created tension between the two companies. Some at OpenAI feel that a lack of adequate computing resources from Microsoft could delay their AGI goals. If OpenAI achieves AGI, a contract clause may limit Microsoft's access to its technology.